Okay, so today we are going to solve this question of Leetcode number 53, maximum subarray. It is a medium level problem, but in reality it is a very simple problem. It should be an easy one. Given that we have a array named nums, we need to find a contiguous subarray. Contiguous means it should be in a proper sequence. It should not be in the break form. So then the sum should be maximum. So moving forward, uh, minus 1 2, I will just write our test case here: minus 1 2, minus 3 4, minus 1 2, minus 2 1, minus 3 4, 1 2, 1 minus 5 and 4. Okay, so this is the given test case for this. And if we can make a array of the sum, commutative sum, so it would be like minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. It would be 0, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 3 and 1. So in this way, as we can see, it is not giving us any information if it is the maximum format or not. We can only find whether it's the sum is increasing or decreasing, or the what is the difference. So to for a better format, we will start to make an array, a sub array, sorry, uh, answer, which is answer. We will initialize it with the a of I 0, sorry, first element, and then we will compare what is the element in the position. So in this position it is 2. So when the loop will start, we will check whether answer is less than or or sum or not, or if it is less than sum, then answer will be is equal to our sum. And if okay, let's move forward. I will explain it later. The next condition. So if we'll move forward, it would be like minus 3. So to deal with this problem, we will reset our sum. So to do that, we will take an if sum is less than 0, then sum is equals to 0. It will work in the way that if like we have this array, we will initialize our loop. We will enter sum, then sum will be like sum plus is equals to a of I. So when this line runs, we will have our output as minus 2. Then this condition checks, and after that this condition checks. So when we will come at this position, our answer will be 0. So it will be become 0. Then we will move forward. We will check if it is greater than equal to answer or not. So we will 1. Then 1 will be checked. So we will come here, answer. Since answer is like the previous sum, which was 2 minus 2, and it was initialized with minus 2, so there was no difference. But when we will come here, so minus 2 is less than our 1. So answer will be equal to answer will be equal to 1 here. Then we will come next, we will have minus 3. So answer will become minus 2, sorry, sum will become minus 2. And since sum is minus 2, we will less than 0, so we will make it 0. So our sum will become 0 here, and answer will not be reduced. We will come on the next position. So sum will be equal to 4. So when since 1 is less than 4, 1 is less than 4, so answer will be equal to 4. Then we will compare next one. Since it will become 3, so there is no condition for this one, so we will won't make it 0. We will come next, it will become 5. Then we will come, since 4 is less than 5, so answer will become 5. And since here becomes 6 and 5 is less than 6, so answer becomes 6. we will come here, answer becomes 1. No condition is required, so we will leave it like there. Answer is currently equals to 6, and here it becomes 5, so answer is equals to 5. Sorry, answer will be 6, no condition will be take place. So I'm going to implement this logic in my code. We will take an int answer, initialize with the nums of 0, int n, which will be nums dot size, and I will use a for loop for from 0 to less than n. And since we are implementing the sum of the array, I will just initialize a sum here. Just a second. Int sum is equals to 0, and we will take a sum of the nums of I, and since we are comparing it with the answer, so if answer is less than sum, answer is equals to sum. To find the maximum answer, if sum is less than 0, then we will reset the sum to the 0 counter, and that should do, I think, return answer. I will just run the code once. Okay, I is not defined, sorry. Okay, this test case is paused. Okay, this also passed. I'll just continue. Okay, so as you can see, my test case passed. It took like 227 seconds. In C++, I have coded same logic in the C, and it only took 133 milliseconds. So don't depend on this runtime, because it depends on the server, so nothing to do with it. But the answer is correct, and that does our work. So thank you.